So, how to solve Instagram login problem in less than 1 minute? This is what I'm going to show you on this short tutorial. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps, it will take you into this page where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do here is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down like this until you find TikTok. And now you have to go here into this force stop option and click on it. And then go down here to the internal storage and click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and this time you have to open the Play Store. Search for TikTok like this. And then click on update option to update your app. And now you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again, and all the problems in the login must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.